What if AI took every job tomorrow? Imagine waking up tomorrow. You grab your phone. A breaking news alert flashes across the screen. Every major company has replaced human workers with artificial intelligence. Within hours, millions of people lose their jobs. The coffee shop downstairs has no employees. Your bank has no tellers. Hospitals have almost no doctors. Schools have almost no teachers. Even the police station operates mostly with AI. At first, it sounds impossible, but here's the shocking truth. Artificial intelligence is already replacing workers faster than almost anyone predicted. The real question isn't, will AI take our jobs? It's, what happens if it takes all of them? Today, we're traveling into a future that could arrive much sooner than anyone expects. And by the end of this video, you'll have to decide whether that future is humanity's greatest achievement or its biggest mistake. Chapter 1. The morning everything changed. It's 7 a.m. Millions of people wake up for work. Except there is no work anymore. Companies spent years developing AI because it never sleeps, it never gets sick, it never asks for a raise, it never takes vacations. One by one, businesses switched. First came customer support, then accountants, then programmers, then designers, then lawyers, then doctors, then engineers. Finally, the jobs people believed were impossible to automate disappeared too. Construction robots built houses. AI scientists discovered new medicines. Robots harvested farms. AI CEOs managed billion-dollar companies. Within a single year, nearly every profession became automated. Human labor became optional. For the first time in history, the world no longer needed workers. Chapter 2. The first month. At first, people celebrated. No more traffic, no more stressful bosses, no more exhausting shifts. Governments announced universal basic income. Every citizen received enough money to survive. Food became cheaper. Electricity became cheaper. Healthcare became almost free. AI produced everything. Life looked perfect. But something unexpected happened. People realized money wasn't the only reason they worked. Work gave them purpose. It gave structure. It gave friendships. Without jobs, millions began asking a frightening question. If AI can do everything, why do humans matter? That question spread faster than any virus. Chapter 3. The Purpose Crisis. Imagine you're 25 years old. You graduate from university, but there are no careers, no interviews, no promotions, nothing to achieve. Every skill you've spent years learning, AI performs in seconds. Artists compete against machines that create masterpieces instantly. Musicians compete against AI composing perfect songs. Writers compete against AI generating entire books overnight. Scientists compete against AI making discoveries every hour. For the first time, human intelligence is no longer the most valuable intelligence on Earth. Depression rises. Motivation disappears. Entire generations begin asking, what am I supposed to do with my life? The greatest unemployment crisis becomes the greatest identity crisis. Chapter 4. The World AI Built. But not everything became worse. Crime dropped dramatically. Medical errors almost disappeared. Traffic accidents became incredibly rare. Food shortages ended. Energy became abundant. Robots cleaned oceans. AI predicted natural disasters before they happened. Cities became cleaner, safer, smarter. Diseases that once killed millions were cured. Poverty nearly vanished. For the first time, humanity solved problems that had existed for thousands of years. The future looked like paradise. Until one question changed everything. Who controls the AI? If one company or one government
owns the machines doing all the work, then they control food, money, transportation, medicine, information, and eventually, the future itself.
Chapter 5: The Last Job. Years later, only one profession remained. Not because AI couldn't do it, but because humans refused to let it disappear. Being human. People became storytellers, explorers, inventors, parents, friends, artists, dreamers. Not because machines couldn't replace them, but because humanity decided some things should never be replaced. The most valuable skill wasn't coding, or engineering, or medicine. It was being able to inspire another human being. Ironically, the last job wasn't a job at all. It was simply living. Here's the truth. No one knows whether AI will replace every job. Experts disagree. Some believe AI will create entirely new kinds of work, just as earlier technologies did. Others think automation could transform the economy on a much larger scale than anything we've seen before. What is clear is that AI is already changing how many people work. The future won't depend only on technology. It will also depend on the choices societies make, how we educate people, share the benefits of automation, and decide which roles should always include a human touch. Maybe the future isn't humans versus AI. Maybe it's humans working with AI. Or maybe the jobs we lose will make room for something even more meaningful. So here's the question. If AI could do absolutely everything better than you, what would you choose to do? Because your answer may define the future more than AI ever could. If you enjoyed this journey into tomorrow, subscribe and join us as we explore the technologies that could reshape humanity, one story at a time.